So everyone keeps asking me how I'm getting so much into one little bag. So I thought I'd give you a peek inside at how I roll my clothes and what I take with me. One of the key factors to traveling so lightly is to have things that mix and match so that you can look like you have different outfits on each day, even though you're really just switching out shirts and pants and shorts. Also, you want to try to roll all of your clothes, and this makes it so that they have fewer wrinkles when they get to their final destination, and it also makes it easier to pack a bunch of stuff. When you just fold clothes like you normally do and put them in your drawers, it takes up a lot more room. So what I do is I usually fold it in half just to make it more manageable for something like this, and then you roll it really tightly from one end to the next. And this, my friends, goes back to my days of being a Girl Scout and having to roll sleeping bags for tent trips, camping trips. So anyways, that's what you end up with, and so that big article of clothing can fit really nicely into the suitcase now and take up a lot less. Position everything that you have rolled in here kind of like a puzzle so that it all fits nicely. And then I always keep my toiletries on top so that I can take them out really quickly when I get there to TSA. And voila. So another thing I do is that I tend to travel with enough to get me through a few days of my trip, but not the entire trip. So for example, this will get me through about 10 to 12 days, and then I will purchase some things when I get there. And that serves a couple of purposes. One is that I can donate it to someone in need in that country, and that's a huge benefit right there. The second thing is that it gives me a souvenir to bring back, and so it's something to remember that trip by and remember that country. And the third thing it does is that it avoids all the luggage fees. So primarily the reason why I travel so lightly is because the luggage fees. So I added it up, and for this trip with all of my legs of my airplane flights, it would be over $500 just for luggage to add a carry-on bag, like a regular suitcase. So instead of paying that $500, I can just buy a few new items to add to my wardrobe when I get there.